Hey guys, Patrick here. Today I wanted to show you this really nice beard trimming kit that was sent to me by the brand. This is from the Beard Club, and this is the PT45 Precision Trimmer. Packaging on this thing is incredible. Now I'm outside because I'm at my office, and we're going to give the beard a little bit of a trim, and I'd rather the hair fall out here than get all over everything inside. So without further ado, let's check it out. All right guys, I'm going to pull this out. We're going to do a little trim. But first, I want to let you know what you're getting. So you have your Precision Beard and Hair Trimmer. You're going to get 8 guides for 45 trim lengths, trimmer oil, and a brush, as well as an LED charging display stand. Very cool. So open it up. This is what it's going to look like. Very, very nice packaging. You've got your user instruction manual. And wow, this trimmer is nice looking. Look at that. Ho, 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 ho. Dude, that is slick looking. That feels really good in the hand too. Got your charging base. That's super slick. You just set this down, charge it just like that. That's freaking cool. You have all of your guards, and that comes nicely packaged right here. Look at that. That is really cool. All the guards are color coded as well, which is kind of nifty. I'm always losing guards, so it's nice to have them all different colors. That way I know what's missing. You got all your guards. This is mineral oil. Okay. Keep your guards and your trimmer nice and lubricated. Nice little brush. And your actual charging cable for the base. So without further ado, let's put on a guard. And I'm just going to do a little tiny trim. Another thing that's really cool about this, right here on the base, you can turn this and that adjusts your actual blade. You see that? That's really cool. So I'm going to put this on the highest setting, and then I'm going to put an 8 guard on. We've got some juice. Really, really cool LED display. I'm going to start small. You can see my beard's getting kind of long. I'd say it works. Yeah, that trimmed it up really nice. You can visibly see the difference. So that did really good. Pretty long hairs in there. See, this is why I did it outside. You get all the hair off out here. I want to try this, just trimming my mustache. I'm going to put this on the shortest setting. That worked really, really well. And this had 88% battery right out of the box. This is really nice. I got to say, this worked phenomenal right out of the box. And the features that it has, I have a lot of hair trimmers. I don't have any that have this kind of feature. That's really, really cool. And the charger for this is super cool. Just set this on the base. Very, very stinking cool. If you're looking for a great beard trimmer and can also be a mustache trimmer, I would definitely recommend checking this out from Beard Club. Very cool and looks fantastic. All right, guys, real quick, I just wanted to come in and show you. I've got this inside plugged in. Look at this charging base. The actual base itself lights up. And then you can see it shows you how much power is left on the actual trimmer and the little charging station. This thing is really stinking nice. Definitely would recommend checking this one out.